guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita, and in today's video I wanted to create a pumpkin spice makeup tutorial. I cannot go into any store without seeing something pumpkin related, so I figured I'd make my makeup pumpkin related too. This is such a nice makeup tutorial for fall, so I'm really happy to be wearing this and probably going to be wearing it a lot more now. If you want to learn how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So I have prepped my face with coconut oil and primer, and I also did my eyebrows. To start, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Dewy and Smooth. I am the shade 315 in Soft Honey, and I'm using a beauty sponge to do that. I usually use my matte and poreless foundation, but I really wanted to try the dewy one, and I actually really like it. I like the finishing on my skin better. So I'm going to switch up the order of how I usually do my makeup. So once you have your foundation, I'm switching over to start my eyeshadows. I start out with the Smashbox primer for my eyes, and I'm just going to get right into the eyeshadow. For this look, I'm using the SMAC 18 Colors eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using these three shades here. I think they have like a very nice pumpkin hue, perfect for this look. Using a small fluffy brush like this one, I'm going to use this top shade. Take that and just concentrate that all over the lid. I'm basically applying it everywhere except for the middle. Take your time to really build up the color. Once I have that, I'm going to go in with this color right underneath. It's a shade darker, so I'm going to use this and apply it in my crease to add dimension and deepen up the look. So I do have some fallout right now, but I'll clean it up at the end. So I'm taking a wipe and just starting to clean it up a little bit. So next, we're going to cut the crease a little bit. So take a brush that is flat like this, and I'm going to take my concealer and just putting it onto the brush. Start at the top here and bring it down. It doesn't have to be super neat. I'm just doing that so when I apply this lighter golden shade right here, you'll be able to see it better. So I'm packing this onto my brush, and I'm going to apply it right in the center. Now it's basically just a blending game, and I just want to blend in the sides. I'm holding my brush at the very end so that the blending is very light and not harsh. So now going in with my KatVonD Tattoo Eyeliner, I'm going to create a wing. Basically created an outline for the wing, and now I'm filling it in. Now taking a dome-shaped brush like this, I'm going to take this pumpkin colored shade that we've been using and drag it along my lash line. I'm going to take my brown eye pencil. You can use any type of brown eye pencil. Place that right on my lash line. So I'm going to go back in with my foundation, just touch up under my eyes because I did wipe off a lot of the foundation. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and apply that under my eyes. On the bridge of my nose, a bit on my forehead, and on my chin. Taking my makeup sponge, I am just going to blend it in. So next, going in with my KatVonD translucent powder, I'm taking my makeup sponge and lightly baking under my eyes. I'm using so little of this that I'm not even baking, I'm just blending it into my skin at this point. Then I'm going to take a brush like this. This is an EcoTools brush. And I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Bronzing Pearls. So I'm swirling my brush in here. And I'm going to bronze my face. Just slightly contouring my nose. And then I'm going to take blush brush and I'm going into this Estee Lauder Blush All Day palette. And I'm going to use this coral shade right here. Swirl that onto my brush and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so I'm using this Obsession by Calvin Klein Shimmering Body Powder. I really love this body powder and I'm going to use it as my highlight. I think this shade gives such a nice glow. For my lips, I'm using this Elizabeth Arden in Bronze 8 lip liner. I'm going to take this lipstick by Estee Lauder called Maple Sugar. Lastly, I'm going to take this small dome-shaped brush again and go into the Obsession Shimmering Powder. Just apply in my inner corners to brighten up my look. And right on my brow bone. Last thing, I almost forgot my mascara. So I'm going in with this Monsieur Big by Lancome mascara. Apply that all over my lashes. So that's it for my makeup look today. I really enjoyed creating this and I enjoyed incorporating these golden and burnt orange tones into my look. If you guys enjoyed this video and like pumpkin spice, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!